Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to trim elements from the end of an array until a certain condition is satisfied. This is a common pattern in data cleaning or conditional array processing. We'll walk through the code step by step to help you understand the logic clearly. Let's jump to the problem overview. In this problem, we're removing items from the end of the array, which is a twist on what we've seen before. The process continues until we encounter an element that returns true from our condition function. Let's see how this is handled in JavaScript. The function uses a while loop to keep checking the last element of the array. If the condition fails, we trim the array using slice, 0 and -1. This continues until the last element returns true. We then return whatever is left in the array. The key here is checking from the right side of the array. Each iteration checks if the last value passes the test. If it doesn't, we slice it off and keep going. Once one element satisfies the text, we stop and return the result. Let's look at a few examples. In the first one, we remove 4 and 3 until we reach 2, which satisfies the condition. In the second, we stop at 6, and in the third, all values meet condition, so nothing is removed. This method has many practical uses. You can use it to clean up data in streams, adjust UIs based on real-time feedback, or format logs before displaying. It is a simple yet flexible approach to manipulating arrays conditionally. And that's how you remove elements from the end of an array based on a condition. This technique is highly useful when dealing with real-world data. Try applying it to your own projects where data cleanup is needed. Thank you for tuning in and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.